Hi, this is Bill Park, and today we're going to talk about the home inspection, and this will be the furnace. Now, interestingly enough, furnaces are very, very important as part of the home, and one of the big items that a home warranty usually will cover, if there is a home warranty. Getting a home warranty on a home can be very, very important, especially with your short sale and your foreclosure properties that are sold pretty much as is. And a home warranty is really the way to cover yourself if there's a question about a furnace or a dishwasher, appliances, anything pertaining to the house. So this is one of the ways you can protect yourself as a buyer doing the home inspection. So let's join Randy as our inspector is looking at the furnace and determining a number of things. And we'll ask him what he's doing. So now what are you doing, Randy?
Checking the furnace. Checking the burners, checking the flames, checking the heat exchanger, and making sure it's running properly. This one makes it a little more difficult to see.
Okay, what Randy's doing now is got his little heat gun there to check the temperatures of
Temperature rise and temperature fall.
temperature rise and temperature fall of the furnace.
This should be within 30 degrees, so when the heat goes out, it's at 95, so it should be within 30 degrees of it coming back. And
Where you're talking about coming back is
it the cold air return.
Okay.
So this is the heat leaving. We're at 95, and when we're coming back, we're at 670, let's say 70. So we got 25, and this wants us to be 30. So it's about 5 degrees off. Let's see, we're going up a little bit.
Would the hi Scott. Would the a duct being turned off someplace or the baffle closed, would that affect this?
No, because this is the heat's leaving here at 1 degree, and it's gonna find its even the closest spot and then return, so it's gonna be coming back. So but we're getting up to 69, 70, and this is